Hello students, today we will start Mathematics Olympiad Prep Guide for class 4 and today we will discuss chapter 6, that is data handling. And now we will discuss from question number 31 onwards. Up to question number 30 we have already discussed in my last video. So question number 31 is from achiever section. The given pictograph shows the number of bolts produced by a factory in 4 days, number of bolts produced, okay, and each bolts represents 1500 bolts, okay. So first of all in this question we will find the number of bolts produced on Monday because each bolts produced 1500 bolts, okay. So number of bolts produced on Monday is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 4 multiply 1500 that is equal to 6000, okay, that is equal to 6000. And number of bolts produced on Tuesday is equal to 3 multiply 1500 that is equal to 4500. And number of bolts produced on Wednesday is also equal to 4500, okay. And number of bolts produced on Thursday is not given, okay. So in this question if the total number of bolts produced in 4 days is 18,000, okay, then find the number of bolts for Thursday. नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स फॉर थर्सडे देखो तो टोटल बोल्ट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड गिवन है तो एंड मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे गिवन है तो थर्सडे का तो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं इस टोटल में इन तीनों का सब्ट्रैक्ट करके क्लियर है. So total number of bolt produced is equal to 18,000, okay, 18,000. So number of bolts produced on Thursday is equal to क्या होगा 18,000 minus number of bolts produced on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, that is equal to 6,000 plus 4,500 plus 4,500, okay. 18,000 minus, after adding this 6,000 plus 4,500 plus 4,500 we will get 15,000, okay. And 18,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 3,000, okay. So number of bolts produced in Thursday is not 3,000 because each bolts represents 1500 bolts, okay. One bolts stands for 1500, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. One bolts stands for 1500. So number of bolts on Thursday is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 3000 डिवाइडेड 1500. क्लियर है. ये डायरेक्टली जो हम आया था सब्ट्रैक्ट करके वो हमारा नहीं होगा नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स ऑन थर्सडे बिकॉज वन बोल्ट स्टैंड्स फॉर 1500. सो नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स ऑन थर्सडे इज इक्वल टू 3000 डिवाइडेड 1500 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2, okay. So 2 is our right answer, 2. So 2 is in option D. So option D is the right option for question number 31. Now next question is question number 32. The bar graph given below shows the number of stones 5 museums have. Study it carefully and answer the following questions, okay. Here is our bar graph. So in 1, what fractions of stones museum R has to the total number of stones, okay. So in this question we will have to find fractions of museum R to the total number of stones, okay. So first of all we will find the total number of stones. So total number of stones is equal to क्या होगा 2500. total number of stones is equal to 2500 plus 1000 plus 2800 plus 1800 plus 1200, okay, plus 1800 plus 1200. After adding this we will get 9300, okay. So required fractions is equal to क्या हो जाएगा required fractions is equal to number of stones of museum R. number of stones of museum R is equal to क्या given है 2800. 2800 divided by total number of stones that is 9300. तो ये 0 0 कट हो जाएगा. So our right answer of 1 is 28 by 93, okay. 28 by 93, okay. And in 2, the difference between the total number of stones museum S and T together have and museum P and Q together have, okay. So first of all we will find the total number of stones of museum S and T together and total number of stones of museum P and Q, okay. Then we will find difference. So total number of stones of museum S, total number of स्टोन्स ऑफ म्यूजियम एस एंड टी टुगेदर इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, एस के लिए क्या है 1000 क्लियर है, एंड टी के लिए नंबर ऑफ स्टोन्स इन टी इज इक्वल टू 2500. So 1000 plus 2500 that is equal to 3500. Okay, and number of stones and total number of stones of museum P and Q together is equal to क्या होगा, P में क्या है, P 1200 and Q 1800. Okay, 1200 plus 1800 that is equal to 3000. So required difference is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, required difference is equal to 3500. देखो है ना 3500 आया था ना मैं एस एन टी का, तो 3500 माइनस 3000 दैट इज इक्वल टू 500. सो 500 इज आवर आंसर फॉर 2. ओके, 2 के लिए हमारा आंसर क्या है 500. एंड 1 में क्या आया था हमारा 28/93. ओके, सो 28/93 एंड 500 इज इन ऑप्शन ए. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. Now next question is question number 33. The given pictograph shows the hobby of some children of class 4. Study it carefully and answer the question that follows. Okay, hobbies of children, and each boy represents 2 children. So number of children interested in reading is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 6 multiply 2 that is equal to 2, and in painting 4 multiply 2 that is equal to 8, and for stamp collection 3 multiply 2 that is equal to 6, and for art and craft 4 multiply 2 that is equal to 8. Okay, so in question 1, which of the following hobbies is the hobby of 6 children? Is the hobby of 6 children stamp collection? Stamp collection is the hobby of 6 children. So our right answer is stamp collection. Okay, stamp collection. And in 2, how many children have art and craft as a hobby? So art and craft as a hobby 8. 8 children have art and craft as a hobby. So answer of 2 is 8. Okay, so stamp collection and 8 is in option C. So option C is the right option for question number 33. Now our next question is question number 34. The given pictograph shows the number of cakes baked by a bakery on the given 5 days. Study it carefully and answer the following questions. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So first of all, in this question we will find the number of cakes baked on Monday, because each cake represent 10 cakes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 multiply 10 that is equal to 80. And number of cakes baked on Tuesday is equal to 3 multiply 10 that is equal to 30. And number of cakes baked on Wednesday that is equal to 7 multiply 10 that is equal to 70. And number of cakes baked on Thursday is equal to 8 multiply 10 that is equal to 80. Okay, and number of cakes baked on Friday is equal to 6 multiply 10 that is equal to 60. Okay, so in question 1, how many less cakes were baked on Thursday than on Monday and Wednesday together? Okay, than on Monday and Wednesday together. So first of all, we will find the total number of cakes baked on Monday and Wednesday together. Total number of cakes baked on Monday and Wednesday together. So how many cakes baked on Monday? Monday में 80 and Wednesday 70. So 80 plus 70 that is equal to 150. So number of cakes baked on Monday and Wednesday together is 150, and number of cakes baked on Thursday is equal to क्या है Thursday 80. Okay, so our required difference is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 150 minus 80 that is equal to 70. Okay, so 70 less cake were baked on Thursday than on Monday and Wednesday together. Okay, so answer of first is 70. Okay, and in 2, if 1/5 of the total cakes baked on all the given 5 days were sold, then how many cakes were left? Okay, so in this question first of all we will have to find total number of cakes baked on the given 5 days. So total number of cakes बेस्ड ऑन गिवन 5 days इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 80 प्लस 30 प्लस 70 प्लस 80 प्लस 30 प्लस 70 प्लस 80 प्लस 60 ओके प्लस 80 plus 60 that is equal to 300. After adding this we will get 320 okay and given क्या है 1/5 of the total cakes baked on all the given 5 days means 1/5 of 1/5 of 320 is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 1/5 multiply 320. After dividing 320 by 5 we will get 64 okay it means 64 cakes were sold okay so number of cakes left is equal to क्या हो जाएगा number of cakes left is equal to total cake that is 320 minus 64 is equal to 256 okay so our right answer for 2 is 256 so 70 and 256 is in option C so option C is the right option for question number 34. Now our next question is question number 35. Consider the given graph showing the number of passengers boarded plane to travel to different countries in a year and answer the following questions okay which of the following options is correct okay so in this question first of all we will find the number of passengers travel to China Sri Lanka, Australia and Singapore one by one. So number of passenger travel to China is equal to क्या होगा 30 यहाँ तक क्या है 30 बट क्या गिवन है नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स इन हंड्रेड्स मीन्स 30 मल्टीप्लाई 100 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3000 क्लियर है 30 मल्टीप्लाई 100 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3000 एंड श्रीलंका के लिए क्या है 40 मीन्स 40 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इज इक्वल टू 4000 ओके एंड इन Australia 80 so 80 multiply 100 that is equal to 8000 okay and Singapore क्या 50 so 50 multiply 100 that is equal to 5000 clear है now we will discuss one by one each options in option A total passengers travel to Singapore and China together were 6000 okay China and Singapore so how many passenger in Singapore 5000 and how many passenger travel to China is 3000 so 5000 plus 3000 is equal to क्या होगा सिंगापुर के लिए कितने पैसेंजर्स है 5000 प्लस नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रेवल टू चाइना दैट इज इक्वल टू 3000 तो क्या होगा 5000 प्लस 3000 दैट इज इक्वल टू 8000 बट ऑप्शन में क्या गिवन है 6000 सो 8000 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 6000 तो ऑप्शन ए हमारा क्या हो गया रॉन्ग ओके दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट एंड इन ऑप्शन बी number of passengers travel to Australia were 2000 less than to Singapore okay so number of passengers travel to Australia is क्या given है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 8000 okay passengers travel to Australia is equal to 8000 clear है and passengers travel to Singapore is equal to क्या given है 5000 okay so how many passengers less travel to Singapore is equal to क्या होगा this will be obtained by subtracting this okay that is equal to 3000 हमारा क्या आया 3000 less passengers travel to Singapore than the Australia okay but option में क्या given है 2000 okay 2000 so this is also incorrect okay and in option C the fraction of passengers travel to Sri Lanka to the total number of passengers travel is 1/5 okay so in this option first of all we will find total number of passengers and then we will find the required fractions okay so total number of passengers is equal to क्या होगा number of passengers travel to China 3000 number of passengers travel to Sri Lanka is 4000 and number of passengers travel to Australia 8000 and number of passengers travel to Singapore is 5000 okay so after adding this 3000 4000 8000 and 5000 we will get 20000 okay and passenger travel to Sri Lanka is equal to क्या given है 4000 okay so our required fractions is equal to क्या हो जाएगा required fractions is equal to number of passengers travel to Sri Lanka, that is 4,000, and total passenger that is equal to 20,000. ओके, सो ये 0 0 कट हो गई, तो क्या आ गया हमारा 4/20। एंड इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में हम 4 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, देन व्हाट विल वी गेट 1/5। एंड ऑप्शन में भी क्या गिवन है 1/5. Okay, so this is the correct option. Okay, so only option C is the correct option. So option C is the right option for question number 35.